Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hairunisa. I want to present about fieldwork practice reports in the Organization and Governance Bureau, General Secretariat of the Ministry of Religion, Republic of Indonesia. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background of fieldwork practices. There are still many students who do not yet have the skill and knowledge the words of the work, such as less effectively communication with the mentor and limitation in digital-based data processing. With this problem, the Office Administration Education Study Program organizes fieldwork practice with the aim of developing students' knowledge and skills. Next, the purpose of fieldwork practice. First, knowing about the process of inputting data processing, and communicating effectively. Second, gaining work experience before entering the actual workforce. Third, train students to be disciplined, honest, and responsible. Next, the pledge of fieldwork practices. Company name, General Secretariat of Ministry of Religion, Republic of Indonesia. Company pledge on Benteng Barat Street, number 3 until 4. Pasar Baru, Sawah Besar. Division Fieldwork Practice, Governance Section, Public Service Subsection. Time schedule fieldwork practices. First, preparation. Preparation on January 2012. Preparation submit a fieldwork practices application letter that has been signed by the head of study program. After that, fill out the biodata on the website www.bak.unj.ac.id. Second, implementation. Implementation on January until February 2020. Practicant carry out field work practices at the Secretariat General of the Ministry, Republic of Indonesia, in the Public Service Subdivision for 1 month, starting from January 27, 2020 until 28 February 2020. Practicant work full-time starting from Monday until Friday, starting at 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. o'clock. And the last, report writing. Report writing on March until April 2020. The writing of the fieldwork practices report start from March to April 2020. The first thing the practices does in finding and collecting the required data is by asking and searching for the data to the company. That data will be used later in the fieldwork practice report. Next, Chapter 2, General Review. Company History, July 11, 1945, the proposal from the First Ministry of Religion by Mr. Muhammad Yamin. Augustus 19, 1945, PPKI held a session 2 from a Ministry of Religion. January 3, 1946, the formation of the Ministry of Religion, Haji Muhammad Rosjidi as the First Minister of Religion. Next, vision and mission. Vision, the realization of Indonesia communities who are religious, peaceful, smart, and prosperous. Mission, first, increase understanding and practice of religious teaching. Second, strengthening intra and interreligious harmony, providing service of religious. This is organizational structure of the company. General company activities, religious and education fields. First, improving the quality of understanding and practice of religion teaching. Second, increase access to equal education for disadvantaged people to to primary and secondary education. Third, increase public access to religious education and quality public education units. Chapter 3, implementation of field work practice. Field of work. First, administration field. Second, filling field. Third, office automation field. Next, work implementation administration field. First, make attendance for field work practice participant. Second, input data on participant of the Ministry of Religion Public Service Innovation competition. Third, inputting the UPP for the Ministry of Religion and KUA from various provinces in Indonesia. 4. Calculating the evaluation of UPP. 5. Rechecking the texts that have been done, namely input and counts UPP. Next, filling field. First, recap performance UPP from various provinces in Indonesia. Second, recap service standards Ministry of Religion and office automation fields. Print, photo, and documentation on evaluating public services. Next, obstacles encountered. First, lack of communication from the supervisor making it difficult for practicant in doing the work. Second, incomplete data in the input process. Third, limitation of practicant knowledge in data or application-based data processing, thus slowing practicant in completing work. Next, how to overcome obstacle. First, communicating effectively so that good communication is created between the practitioner and the mentor. According to Karyaningsih 2018, communication is something that is not static but is dynamic and continue. Archive file based on regional system archive storage so that hard to find files do not occur. According to the Liang Ji Karyaningsih 2018, archives are documents that are stored on a regular basis because they have a purpose so that they can be quickly and accurately found every time they are needed. Last, practicant must learn a lot and find out about digital-based data processing or application through book and the internet. According to Sutabri 2012, applications are applied tools that are specifically in accordance with their capabilities. Chapter 4, Conclusion. Fields of work. First, administration fields. Second, filling fields. And then office automation fields. Obstacle encountered. First, lack of communication from the supervisor making it difficult to practicant in doing the work. Second, incomplete data in the input process, thus hampering practicant in completing work. And the last, limitation of practicant knowledge in digital or application based data processing, thus slowing practicant in completing work. And then overcome obstacles. First, communicating effectively so that good communication is created between the mentor and the practicant. Second, archive files based on regional system archive storage so that hard to find files do not occur. And the last, practicant must learn a lot and find out about digital-based data processing or application through books and the internet. The last suggestion. First, the practitioner must practice communication better. Second, the Faculty of Economic, Jakarta State University, especially the Office Administration Education Study program should hold communication seminars such as public speaking or good and correct communication for students. And then companies should be able to store files that are still needed properly so that when needed do not experience difficulties in finding it. So many presentation from me more or less apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.